Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm doing this cut crease ombre look. So it goes from yellow to orange to purple. So if you wanna know how I did this look and what products I used and was it hard, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. I'll prime my lids with concealer and this is Fit Me in the shade 20. First I'm going into the Marvelous Matte palette from Makeup Revolution and I'll take this shade and I'll work it through my crease. Next I'll take this shade with a bit smaller brush and I'll focus it on my outer part of the crease. And I'll flick it a bit. With smaller brush, I'm taking this shade. Next, I'll take this yellow shade and I'll apply it in inner part of my crease. Now I'm taking this orange. With a tapered brush, I'll use this orange shade and I'll work this in inner corner of my crease. With flat brush and a concealer, I'll cut my crease. So now I'll start at my outer corner and first shade is this yellow one. After this yellow shade, I'm taking orange one. The last shade I'm taking is this one. So darkest shade I used in my crease. I'll set my concealer with Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. For today's contour, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette and I'll take these two shades, so this one. I'm using highlighter from blush palette, also from Makeup Revolution. And I'm mixing this gold shade and this one and this one. So a bit of gold and a bit of pink. And for blush, I'm taking this shade. I'm done with my face and next I'll do my lower lash line, so I'll take darkest shade I used, so this purple one. I'll diffuse it with yellow one and this orange one. I line my lips with Trendy Top lip liner. It's called Contour and Glide lip liner in the shade 47. To fill my lips, I'll take this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade, oh, I don't know. I'll leave a link for this shade. It's not sandstone, no, I can't remember. I'll leave it linked in the description. I ended up adding a bit of this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Just Peachy. It was a bit maybe too cool tone for this look, so I decided to warm it up a bit. And that's it. I hope you like this like cut crease and ombre look. I think it's very fun and I like how it turned out. I think my eyes are not the same, but what can I do? I won't do it again because I need to be somewhere, but I like it. I like it, and if you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with friends, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!